For millennia, we believed our solar system was an island, adrift in the cosmic ocean. We charted our planets and comets, assuming they were. But what if that assumption was wrong? What if I told you our solitude has been broken? That something from another star system, a true alien in the most literal sense, has just passed through our celestial backyard, a visitor from the great unknown. This isn't a familiar wanderer from our own asteroid belt. Those objects are gravitationally tethered to our sun, looping in predictable paths. This visitor, however, was a ghost on a one-way journey. Unbound by our star's gravity, its trajectory was a sharp, hyperbolic arc, the telltale signature of an object whose origin lies far beyond our sun's influence, in the dark between the stars. Astronomers designated it 3I/Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object. Detected by the Atlas survey in Hawaii, it first appeared as a faint smudge of light. But its path told an extraordinary story. It came hurtling in from the void, and after a brief gravitational handshake with our sun, it was flung back out, destined to vanish forever into the interstellar darkness from which it came. But here's the unsettling part. Our current sky surveys can only spot such faint objects when they pass relatively close. It's like trying to map a vast ocean by looking through a tiny porthole. The fact that we've spotted 3 in just a few years suggests we're only seeing the tip of a colossal, unseen iceberg, a mere fraction of the true population of interstellar visitors. Based on these few detections, statistical models paint a staggering picture. Astronomers now calculate that at any given moment thousands of these interstellar nomads could be silently traversing our solar system, a ghost population slipping past us completely unseen, their presence only hinted at by the few we happen to catch in the light. And this raises the ultimate question. What exactly are they carrying across the galaxy? Are they simply chunks of rock and ice, debris from the formation of distant worlds? Or could they be cosmic messengers carrying the chemical building blocks of life from one star system to another? The silent traffic between the stars has been revealed, and we are only just beginning to decipher its profound implications. 3I/Atlas was first spotted by the Atlas telescope in Hawaii, faint and fast-moving. When its trajectory was calculated, astronomers were stunned. It wasn't looping around the sun like a normal comet, it was moving too fast. This thing had come from deep interstellar space. That instantly placed it alongside ʻOumuamua, 2017, and 2I/Borisov, 2019, as one of only 3 confirmed visitors from beyond our solar system. These interstellar objects don't just appear out of nowhere. They drift across the galaxy, carrying unknown material with them. The discovery of 3I/Atlas suggests our solar system is far from sealed off. In fact, we're wide open to the cosmic traffic of other stars. That realization brings both excitement and fear. If harmless, icy comets can reach us, what about something larger, or more dangerous? For decades, the discovery of an interstellar object was a once-in-a-generation event, but now a profound realization is dawning upon the scientific community. What they once feared, and also secretly hoped for, is that these mysterious visitors might be far more common than we ever dared to imagine. The fear is a primal one, the unknown trajectory of a high-velocity object from another star system. But the hope is for a revolution in our understanding of the cosmos. If we've already officially catalogued 3 in just a few years, the logical conclusion is staggering. How many more pass by completely undetected? Hundreds, thousands even? These objects are often small, non-reflective, and travelling at incredible speeds, making them exceptionally difficult to spot against the infinite blackness of space. Our current sky surveys, as powerful as they are like casting a small net into an immeasurable ocean. We are only just beginning to glimpse the true traffic of interstellar wanderers. This constant stream of visitors means that Earth, and indeed all the planets in our solar system, are perpetually exposed to foreign material from deep space. This revelation breathes new life into a century-old and often controversial hypothesis, panspermia. The theory posits that the fundamental ingredients for life, or perhaps even life itself, are not unique to Earth. Instead, they are spread throughout the galaxy, hitching rides on comets and asteroids. An impact on a distant living world could eject rocks containing hardy microorganisms, which, shielded within an icy comet, could survive a journey of millions of years across the interstellar void. In that sense, interstellar comets, like 3I/Atlas, are transformed from mere astronomical curiosities into something far more profound. They are not just random rocks, they are potential couriers, time capsules from another star's family of planets, carrying with them the chemical story of their origin. They may even be the very seeds of life, scattered on the cosmic winds. It forces us to ask a monumental question. Did life on our planet begin here in some primordial soup, or was it an immigrant, delivered by a messenger from the stars? Spectral studies suggest it looks chemically similar to long-period comets from our Oort cloud. That hints that comet-making processes may be universal across star systems. But its orbit and velocity prove it didn't form here. Its faintness made it harder to study than ʻOumuamua or Borisov, but it still confirmed an important truth. Our galaxy is more interconnected than we imagined. With powerful new telescopes like Vera Rubin Observatory, coming online soon, astronomers expect to find dozens more interstellar visitors. There are even proposals to launch fast spacecraft to intercept the next one, to sample material directly before it leaves. So no, 3I/Atlas hasn't sent alien signals. The brief flicker of excitement was a reminder of our deepest hopes, but rigorous science prevailed, tracing the source back to human technology. The search continues, but this was not our moment of contact. But in a way, its mere presence is a signal, proof that our solar system is not sealed off, but part of a galactic exchange. It confirms we are not an isolated island, but a coastline on a vast cosmic ocean. For every visitor we spot, like ʻOumuamua or Borisov, countless others must drift by unseen. This constant subtle traffic redefines our place in the universe. We are not just observing the galaxy, we are participating in it, part of a grand cosmic exchange of matter and history. And with this newfound connection comes a sobering realization. The fear is real. If comets travel freely between stars, so could dangerous rocks or even disruptive objects. An object arriving at interstellar velocities would carry kinetic energy orders of magnitude greater than a typical near-Earth asteroid. Our planetary defense systems would be severely tested by a potential cataclysm arriving from the dark with precious little warning. But the hope is greater. They might also carry answers to how life begins, not just on Earth, but everywhere. These interstellar travelers could be the very vessels that seed the galaxy with the ingredients for life. This theory, known as panspermia, suggests that life on Earth may have its ultimate origins in the stars, delivered by a visitor just like 3I/Atlas billions of years ago. They could be a cosmic network, distributing the precious building blocks of biology from fertile star systems to barren ones. This is why the hunt is on. New observatories like the Vera C. Rubin will soon scan the skies with unprecedented depth, promising to turn the trickle of discoveries into a flood. Scientists are even designing audacious missions to chase down and study one of these visitors up close. What do you think? Are interstellar visitors like 3I/Atlas just icy debris? Or are they the galaxy's messengers of life, the silent bearers of its blueprint from one world to the next?